on, Myrtle. Let's go.
Well, hello, Dora. Hi, you sniffing?
I love the name that Burley gives that trailer.
What's it called?
A tail wagon.
A tail wagon.
A tail wagon.
Oh, you're so cute, Dora. You got a dog trailer, but no dog. How are you doing?
Good.
Kobe's okay?
Oh, yeah.
Falling asleep?
Kobe, look at what's out here.
Hi, Kobe. It's like he's purring.
Yeah.
So we're coming into the town of Port Townsend. Hey, thank you. So this is downtown Port Townsend, the historic area. Beautiful day today. Bright blue skies, very little wind. Beautiful harbor here at Port Townsend. All right, we're almost back to the car after a really lovely ride, and I have a second battery, but I just don't feel like switching to it, and my first battery has given out. It is all used up, and so I'm doing the last bit of this ride old school, no electric assist. And that's one really nice thing about this Shimano step system is you don't have to use the electric assist. You can turn it off and just ride like normal. Hi! How about you?
Yeah.
What's your horse's name?
Hannah.
Hannah. Hannah's beautiful.
Oh my God, is this the last of you?
Yeah. All right, good morning. Sylvia here, and I am on the Olympic Peninsula in Washington, and I'm getting ready to go on a trike ride with a group of trikers and bikers, and we are doing the section around Crescent Lake today. I am with Leslie and Paula and Paul and Bev and people that I'm about to meet that are riding trikes and bikes, and I'm going to be doing the Olympic Discovery Trail probably like in 4 days. So today we're doing Crescent Lake. Yesterday we did a memorial trail out to Port Townsend, beautiful. And then tomorrow I'm going to do the section around Squim, and the day after that we're going to go out to Port Angeles and do another section. I think this trail is about 120 miles long, so doing out and back rides, we'll be putting in quite a few miles. So all right, this is going to be a really great day. Got Paul, Leslie, Paula. There's Myrtle getting ready to go. All right, so we're at a regroup point. Oh, got carrying branches, cleaning out some of the debris. Yeah, maybe there's a nice view we can check out. So this is Lake Crescent. This is the destination for our ride, the turnaround point. Halfway, this beautiful dock, having some lunch before we turn around and head back. Just an outstanding day. Beautiful riding on the Olympic Discovery Trail. Yeah, so this is the trailhead, back where we started. Day 2 on the Olympic Discovery Trail.